Hi, I'm Laith. Welcome to Wineberry Hill. So, egg prices are sky high, and I chose this moment in time to give all of my chickens away. What was I thinking? I think I made a mistake. Well, in short, I was thinking about a better system. A more productive, more efficient, easier to use way of doing chickens. And so this means that I'm gonna need to kind of move things around, make the enclosure bigger, increase the size of my flock, change the breed. And I'm likely going to have to make some design changes to the coop and to the run because I'm thinking about also brooding chicks. Here's why. My flock had kind of aged out. Productivity had dropped off, and I realized that this was probably a good time to make a fresh start. Here are the three main areas that I would like to improve my chicken setup. And if there's anybody out there that keeps chickens, I would love your input on any or all of these points. First up, breed choice. For the 15 plus years that I've kept chickens here at Wineberry Hill, they've always been egg-centric breeds. And if anybody else out there has kept egg-centric breeds, you know that they're only good for eggs. The meat is really only good for maybe chicken broth. And so I'd like to change that. I'd like to focus on more of a table bird that might occasionally lay. On top of that, I'm thinking of something that's winter hardy, maybe a heritage breed. And I mentioned chicks. Well, I would like a bird that has a good instinct towards broodiness. Predators. I have daily visits from predators, and when I say daily, I mean daily, and I mean everything. We're talking everything from hawks and owls to coyotes, foxes, bobcats, raccoons, possums, skunks, even the occasional bear, which there's not much you can do about bears, but the rest of them you can manage. And don't get me wrong, I'm actually very happy about this because predation is a good sign of a healthy ecosystem. And so I don't want to change that. But I would like to have some of the experience of free ranging without the risk of losing my chickens. In fact, that's why I built a chicken tractor. But I think I'm going to need to do it a little differently because yes, I want to keep them safe, but I also need a scenario where the plants are completely wiped out. And well, that leads into the third point. Soil quality and fodder crops. Chickens are relentless. They shred plants and they dig up the roots. On top of that, they have very hot manure that prevents plants from growing immediately in an area where chickens have been. If you keep chickens in a protected area, you're all too familiar with the wasteland that is the chicken run. So here is my vision moving forward. I'm going to be building a larger run area. And then I'm also going to explore and experiment with protected fodder inside the chicken run, as well as chicken fodder that's being grown very closely outside of the chicken run. This is also going to lead to researching chicken tunnels, or maybe I'll build a smaller chicken tractor that would connect to the run. When it comes to chicks, if I do that, I'm going to need to do some research and design changes to the coop. And I need to think about these design changes because I need to get site design and then the actual site work done, because I need to do it before the ground freezes. So I have a lot to think about, and if you have any input, I really would appreciate your thoughts and ideas on how to make this project better. I often say it, that your comments and all of that YouTube stuff make this channel possible. Well, really, you make this channel possible. Thank you. And if you like this video, you might like these.